Hi, Cara. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good week. You're not working way too many hours that you already do. So normally I don't do check-ins on trials. Normally I wait to the end of it, but I just thought I'd just see how you're getting on, make sure you are tracking and everything like that. Don't worry so much about training. It's nice to see kind of what you're doing, but I know you said you're just mainly doing cardio. So we'll keep your plan kind of like to a moderate level to start with, and then we can slowly start to increase from there as the week goes on. With your tracking calories, etc. Now this can't be right. So with unless you're getting calories from that. So are you working out the calories from fat, carbs, and protein, and then putting them in there? Purely because 1 gram of fat is 9 calories. 1 gram of carb and protein are both 4 calories. So by putting that in, you should be on about 10,000 calories on here. Same as on this day. So just make sure the way you're recording it is correct. Like for example, I averagely eat around 4,000 calories a day, and my fat is 84. My carbs are 575, and my protein is 250. And that's eaten 6 times a day. Now I know you only eat one meal, but I will be massively impressed if that one meal is that many grams of fat, carbs, and protein. So just make sure you are recording it accurately. If you're unsure how to use MyFitnessPal or anything or any apps like that properly, just let us know. We can sit down and arrange something. We can have a chat about it, or go through something similar to this, either YouTube or through FaceTime. Other than that, just keep tracking. Try and track accurately. Measurements and weigh-ins, etc. All good. Keep it going. That is a lot of steps as well. Brilliant. But yeah, have a nice weekend. I know obviously you're probably working over it, but do try and chill out. And proper plan starts Monday, so make sure everything's good to go by then. All right, take care, and I'll speak to you soon.